Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to prepare a smash cake for your little ones with beetroot. It's going to be an easy one. Let's get started. Let's see the ingredients. We need 200 grams of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 beetroot ground, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 60 ml of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, salt to taste, half a cup of sugar. Let us add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a bowl. Add sugar. I've taken half a cup here. I'm just adding half of it. I'm just mixing it with the butter. And the unsalted butter is not melted yet, so it is a little bit thick. So let's add rest of the sugar and mix it along with the butter. At this time we need to add 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix it well. Let's add the ground paste of beetroot. I've taken 1 medium sized beetroot here. Since I'm creating a little smash cake, I've taken 1 medium size. You can take a bigger size if you are preparing for more people. Let's add milk. So whenever we are adding milk, we need to add it gradually. So let's add 2 tablespoons of milk powder here and mix it well. Our cake mixture is a little bit watery, no need to worry. It will be thick soon. So let's add salt to taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. It is the time to add whole wheat flour 200 grams. Let's mix it. So when you are adding flour, you need to add it in batches. So I have added all of the wheat flour. Now our batter is looking like this. It is a little bit thick for the cake mixture. So let us add a little more milk to it and mix it well. Now we are going to add the final ingredient, the vanilla essence. I am adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence here and mix it well. Now our cake batter is ready. Let us put it in the greased mold. I am not using any mold here. I am just taking a normal vessel. So I am just pouring it into there. We are not going to use oven here, so we are going to use our kadai. So I just made the kadai ready. I just added salt and I heated it for 10 minutes. The kadai is very hot now. Let us place our vessel in the kadai and we are going to bake it for next 40 minutes in medium flame. Let's check after 40 minutes. Now our cake is cooked properly and we are going to transfer it into a plate. So our cake is ready. It is very soft now and I am going to decorate it. I just added chocolate ganache, that nothing but melted chocolate. On top of the cake, I layered it into 2 pieces. Let's refrigerate the cake for 1 hour. After that, we can decorate the cake. I just decorated with whipped cream on top. On top of it, I just added few handmade fondant flowers. You can make your own designs too, or if you want to make it very simple, you can do accordingly. And please try this wonderful recipe at your home and your children will definitely gonna love this. Please subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Do not forget to click the bell icon. Thank you. Happy cooking.